I was going to show Savannah herself on television.
It's really neat to watch their reactions to seeing each other, seeing themselves on television. And that's me, Mama. I heard that. Samantha and Justin join us, and what a great story, I tell you, and just so much to be proud of.
Yes, they are. We've watched them accomplish a lot. Because they come in, they're so small and defenseless, and you know, he's 9.5 months old and he just started crawling 2 days ago. So it's late, but you see him do it and you're so proud.
Mm-hmm.
It's another milestone that you reach, and we were watching in the video just the comparison to the yarn, and you think how far we've come in such a short period of time.
Right. You know, less than a year, and he's way bigger than he was when he got here.
And to hear Savannah go, "That's me, that's me." She couldn't recognize herself as a little preemie baby. Hey, Dad, you know, we hear about moms. Mom told the story. What did you think about all of this whole situation?
It's a lot to take in, you know, and you just got to take it day by day. Just do what you can.
It's very scary, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What about the folks up there? What about the care and concern of the staff and Dr. Najjar?
They're very excellent staff members. They took care of us, took care of the children. You know, they have everything, you know, everything we need.
Help you get through it, don't they?
Yes, ma'am.
That is wonderful. Well, oh my gosh, she looks just like you. I just noticed that.
Well, let's throw out to a challenge to our friends and families in the LeCounte area and so forth. We need our family and friends to call in.
All right, everybody, LeCounte, Calcasieu, Hindston, Natchitoches, call in and donate. Y'all know us, y'all know how they've helped us, and it's time to help other babies.
And you know, the fact that they're here for anyone and everyone.
Right.
I mean, it's
Right.
not a selected process. You did not want to be in this situation.
Oh, no.
You found yourself in this situation.
It was a shock. He was a week late, our oldest boy, so, you know, found out we were pregnant with her, and we expected just normal, 40 weeks, 39 maybe if we were lucky, and she came 10 weeks early. So, and then with him, we kind of expected it, but we were hoping, and I got past 30 weeks, and we were like, yay, and then 34 weeks, we delivered him, so he was 6 weeks early. And it can happen to anybody. His stepsister gave birth in April to a baby 16 weeks early. So, you know, it doesn't...
It touches everyone's lives.
Yes. Yeah.
Touches everyone's lives. Thank y'all so much for coming in. We appreciate it so much. Y'all want to wave goodbye? Wave goodbye to the camera? Y'all want to blow some kisses? Say, pick up the phone and call. Pick up the phone and call.
They discovered how these bears fly when you toss them up in the air.
Yes,
So,
aren't they precious? Thank y'all so
there you
much.
go.
The Net family. And I think we're